The order passed by the Bombay High Court in restraining WB Incorporated from issuing groundless threats. I believe the issue was not addressed by my opposing counsel. However, with your permission, I'd like to address it. Firstly, Your Lordship, at the outset, the counsel for respondents would like to invite Your Lordship's attention to Part 4 of the plaintiff's written submission, which is on page number 12. The plaintiffs have raised no argument regarding the competence of the Mumbai High Court to hear the matter. Now, bringing the same matter in front of the Hyderabad High Court, which has already been decided by a competent court, would mean that this particular matter would be barred under Section 11 of the CPC, which is the provision relating to registry contract. In any case, we would like to add two further submissions to it. Firstly, the Mumbai High Court was the proper forum for deciding the case about groundless threat proceedings, because firstly, in order for a matter to fall to a particular High Court, the action or a part of the action must have taken place within the territorial jurisdiction of that High Court. The cease and desist notice had been sent to both PI and TTDP, which is Tilton Butter Products, which is situated in Mumbai. Hence, the Mumbai High Court was a proper forum for filing. Secondly, all ingredients under Section 106 had been met. There was a receipt of the threat of court proceedings. A threat had been made. The person threatened was a person delivery. The person did not come within any of the statutory, within any of the exceptions, and the threat was not justified.
Do you mean to say that there was no cause of action which had taken place in both the states here for the Hyderabad court to have jurisdiction?
Indeed not, Your Lordship. We are merely stating that there was a part of the cause of action which had also taken place in the Mumbai High Court, which makes it a competing forum. Any objections they might have had to the jurisdiction should have been brought before the Mumbai High Court and not at this stage after the judgment has already been given. In this case, the claimant must prove the first three ingredients of the section for groundless threat proceedings, and the defendant must disprove the fourth. The plaintiffs in the instant case in Part 4A of the written submissions have argued that the cease and desist notice given by them was merely a cautionary warning. A cease and desist letter, also known as an infringement letter, is a document that is sent to an individual that tells them to perpetually halt or stop an unlawful activity. It also lays down a deadline to cease and desist a certain act or a certain conduct, and warns them that if that is not done, then they may be sued in a court of law. Now, it is our contention that the matter regarding groundless threat proceedings was decided correctly by the Mumbai High Court. Also, any questions regarding the decision or any question regarding the validity of the decision should correctly be raised either as a review petition in the Mumbai High Court or as an appeal in the Supreme Court. Now, with your permission, I'd like to move on to our prayer. It is our prayer that it is therefore prayed that this honourable court may be pleased to grant a judgment on the following terms. Grant order in favour of the respondent declaring that no patent infringement has taken place. Grant order in favour of the respondent declaring that no trademark infringement has taken place. Grant a compulsory license to PI in respect of the separator patent number 45231 in case the honourable court finds that the product is patentable. To declare that the decision of the Bombay High Court in respect of groundless threat proceedings between PI and TTDP and WB Incorporated was binding on the parties, and to pass any other order that the court deems.
Any High Court grant license as per your prayer?
Your Lordship, since we have approached the High Court.
Any High Court grant license? Is it the statutory authority under the High Court?
Not, Your Lordship.